These colors are awful. Tell me, how often has your mom been brushing?
She's so old! She can't even reach the right spots!
Let me have a closer look.
What is this blue gel for? And why are you wrapping it over my head?
It's carbamide peroxide protection. It's meant to protect your gum from the whitening chemical we'll be applying.
Oh no! Where are my hands? Hey, what did you do to my hands? Hand them over!
Even if I did have your hands, how could I give them back to you when you don't have them anymore?
Then what did you do to my hands?
Your hand was badly injured and had to be amputated. But luckily for you, we have a prosthetic ready to be fitted.
Then what are you waiting for? Let's do it! Wait, hope it's water resistant. I wouldn't want to get electrocuted while washing my butt, you know?
Of course, you can try it out yourself. With this, you can finally clap your hands again. I'm so hungry!
Hey, can you shift a little? The guys below need some room for food. Hey, I'm talking to you. Make some space. There you go. That's enough space now. Quick, hurry up and digest it.
I can't digest this. It's silicone.
Then send it down. The intestines are better equipped than us.
What happened? Why is the path getting blocked?
Oh no, my fingers are all gone. Now I'm left with just my pinky and my thumb. Doc, can you help me? I really want to clap my hands again.
I'm not sure. With what I'm thinking, I don't think clapping will be possible.
Please, anything that can help me blend in. Wait, were these made from my own skin?
No, this is a silicone prosthetic made from a 3D model of your other hand, so it fits perfectly.